look at MP, you see MP for Wenchi Central today. One was my back. Huh? Was it even small scale mining? Say about where you free what small scale mining. Send a name because Kufa don't place ban on that. Was it say amuyi ya free what a bema economy na perform.
Mama Akwaba, wa friend Ajowa searching Mesrel. Now was subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news. Ebusiafo, there's this issue. I wagana hanuma uboswa na edia yemshishiaba. Nina Galamsey honsem because Galamsey say insu ayanum koyemu. Due to insuna Galamsey say nuntino. Most affected regions, ebimo ewo babies with deformities. Ebimo kidney issue actually baby organa ha because of mercury na ewo insuni mo no omo ye Galamsey kogu insuma ye no the water company for Ghana Water Company so mo treat insu no ansa na ya no the treatment no ko edro do ko bebre ni na affect ye into what nkran yo what e krasi o ye na ye mewu pe na Galamsey issue we ye ba beto aba just last year December ya sorry na NDC youth e demonstration enya asemketo akra ni na ne say His Excellency John Omapenda da na do dan kwaku fado en kunti Galamsey wa ya ba beto aba no ni na e propaganda NPP for opposition NDC aba na abra NPP wa power na NDC wa opposition no one of your friends say almost biggest propaganda no more is about the Galamsey. Now NDC for about power they are claiming say so more extra Galamsey mo kra and economy no and essence said almost kind say His Excellency now don't go for the sink economy no one day one sinking no I on banana just say you work with because I say I bet you yamba ye na na no ma anyo because NDC for no omo pens omo ye Galamsey kra no economy ni ehuni left from the right nende ai wiase ko nanim ai wiase ni nsa na chi ma NDC for omo nima omo de na da abeda ye say dokone boy na e de abeja ba no they know say wiase de ko na chi da omo si Galamsey no omo twema e na ye wu kra now Galamsey issue ne de say wutwem na say economy no e be collapse ya both parties no they know into the say mo ye ne say mo the proper measures egu akwem na omo ye no mo license small scale mining mining no mo license mo try how to do it mo do mo for proper your friend say education mo know how to do it omo ense yensu na affect yent memofo no which former vice president Dr. Lahaji Bawumia e kan say oba ordinary be hwe se na ebe ya opese o mania ode tools na de bes ade ese ohun bi ade be e mine bi abehu na nka ayeye na emu no mo so mo de o mo ntena yensase na yensu no mese o mo Galamsey fu na jete wo ti hu wo ma won yema so no mo de akogu site nsusu no mo se no na nka mra ni o mo adi this parties both parties no they know I just o mo di hu duma no wo fi eni egu amani mu na yewu na NDC for mo ya campaign na edit ya Galamsey mo ba ya mo today you cannot then bandit won't me bandit offend say Galamsey ni dia yes remo Yesu Kristo di mu say ye pamocho ye di nyame di mesremo mo mo modern say one was obey Galamsey no we wa kire mo ekwan obefa so mo fa proper measure engu akwan because NDC for ni hu asem ya mo aka fa Galamsey ho and it is a Galamsey na be koso class because I am mo and am call Galamsey site kwakubu ahemi udi ni mpamanu e call Galamsey site kwa cho so mo nto abema mo mo wi ni pe one for one tools enko site enko ya aduma nti mo Galamsey no Galamsey issue ne de mo kra de mo ya kron kra yes remo say economy ni be collapse because Galamsey mo begu Galamsey ne dia mo show how to do it proper way to do it na yensu ho entomo na yensu time mo phone so ye ho nto en dialysis kwa ne boy dey NPP for the national health insurance ho metete NDC for etwim abasahye adefo omo atwim nti se ne nsem no si ekoy
brutal enti ene waka se Galamsey no bahama ontumi ntwebu da eden ode abeto mi bisa se CSO so no Professor Jambu UTAC sisi awo he sisi amu ba ben mu no amu se amu ntumi yin free ho amu ntumi mbane small enti wo no na propaganda wo de ye na yensu asay na wahifa we see everything that they said I say back.
Well, you better Governor, my memory ho na one a year man for kan wasem say the finance minister nominee e make a bold statement after say 2016 NPP back kunwa so anakoko price was 475 Ghana cedis. Mampene Kufuor on records historically politically since the Fourth Republic of our democratic dispensation there or Kofia Kotnasia Homi Koko Boja 3,100 ABC da Ghana bakwasemu but finance minister nominee say abayana otwam no sisi o that time no I would say it should have been increased to 6,500 Ghana sisi ano do you expect him say obey finance minister this kind of one incentives onto kokwa for
when you wine and the currently and one out there to Jano the say the ashe akumomu man na no neka and I say when friend you super to boama about to wabo the next bibi so enti ansana atu force in then minority leader and finance minister and economic planning minister and you know so mrambe share Ghana isika semunyina so minim say definitely say amount no kan any dey say ye maame no makuafo e nyina say ye kuafo ye kokofo ye ba be demand say yesre no 6,000 ye so mutimi de ba man anye say will be disappointed in them. You see, whenever open political power why desperate no one way one no be can send be to deceive people after the political power ne maun never be doing same say the maso glass imu ya. Now, when the reality starts to dawn down on you, that is when you know, say, hey, I kind of me kind just to convince or to deceive people. They said, yeah, now accountant take and say, President Mahama, or say, oh, when I come, betting tax, you pay every all, you levy, you pay every all, taxes, no politics, don't even vote. Sure. And then Niama Kakrebia Kosu Ghana, I'm an Ebu Mabem. Boss, I want you to, you have my videos, right? Don't worry. We will go through the videos. But I want Ghanaians to see the mistake they have done. There is this small boy called A+. I call him small boy because I know how he got up. Without Anado, that guy would have been dead by now. By now, because a nekura is kaka kraba in semno, or that's so we are peteshi. Or that's so we something at the same abrabo. Something his father complained about. And today, I will reveal a conversation I had with the late dad. I was like this with A+ father. Okay? And the reason why I'm in A+ Papa Beye say was because Manotrano. I spoke against him because of the anger I had towards A+. I ended up saying something unsuitable about the father. Then somebody called me and told me, say, Papa na why nesano? Or ye nipa say, or ye nipa say. So my father, my real father, called me and told me, say, Kwesi, if this is what you are going to do in politics, then I will not support it. From today, don't turn on your camera. If not, go and apologize to the man. So I found the number and I apologized to Mr. Obeng. And he was so graceful and gracious to me, to the point, say, he forgave me for speaking against him and actually told me, say, Bibi Abeka fan the banner who be I then no crack. The man actually told me, say, a free nekono, neba kwami A+ no, memboni yamu kopim so besisa.